Hey guys, so today we are going to be unboxing this product. It is a car cooling and heating smart cup. It quickly cools and heats whatever drink you place on it. You can extend it and it's a rapid cool. With one touch you can activate it. So it has an adapter which comes along with it. So if you press it once, it will activate it to cool, and then if you press it again, it will go to heat. So here I'm raising the temperature of a Coke. So I'm placing it in, and this is at 35 degrees. After some time I'll show you what the degree does.